Hello all, I'm Tirthesh. You are watching Techmania World of Knowledge. So today in this class, we let us study what is the shorthand Minterms. So in previous class you studied some sums like you have explained the sums x plus yz. So what you should do, you should convert this into a minterm. So how do you convert? You here first thing you should check which variable or literal is missing. So here yz is missing. So how I should put x into y plus y bar into z plus z bar. Okay, plus yz which is missing here into x plus x bar. Okay, now like this. Afterwards, what you should do? You should multiply this over here. So xy plus x y bar into z plus z bar plus xyz plus x bar yz. Okay, next x bar yz. Next, what you should do now? Again, you should multiply this over here, this over here, this with this, again this with this side. So how did it come first? X y z, x bar x y bar z plus x y z bar plus x y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z plus x bar y z. Afterwards, you should remove the duplicate things. So, what is this duplicate means? It says that in the induction, independent law, it says x plus x is equals to x itself. So, there are two duplications. So, what we should remove x y z plus 1. We should write only 1. So, plus x y bar z plus x y z bar plus x y bar z plus x y z plus x bar yz. So this is your minterm conversion. But this is too lengthier process. Whenever we are going to find some minterms for this, it is too lengthier process. So we have a shorthand minterm. How do we find a minterm in short? So after this you should check for the numbers again. Here all is 2, then it is 111. Here you should check for the here 110 and you should check for this. Plus again here if you have 110 plus, like you should do so many different steps. So for this, after this, how do I find a minterm? So to find a shorthand minterm, we have a rule, certain rules and regulations. So how do I find a shorthand minterm? Okay. Now what you should do? First thing, first copy the term. First, what you should do? You should copy the term. Second, you for barred variable put 0. For non-barred variable put 1. So bar variable means it will be x bar, non-bar variable means x. So x bar means if you have any bar value you should put 0, if you have doesn't have any bar value you should put 1. So this is third step. Final step, fourth is convert them into decimal equality. So let us take this term itself and let us work for shorthand minterm. Let us find what is the minterm of this, which is the place it represents. So here what I said, first you should copy. I have copied this. Next, for bar variable you should put 0. For non-bar variable you should put 1. So 1, 1, 1. Okay? Plus. Next. So 1, 0, 1. Why it is barred variable? Plus 1, 1, 0. Plus 1, 0, 1. So anyhow you have this term, you can skip this. You can skip this. Here x, y, z also is skipped. So plus x bar y z. So 0, 1 and 1. So how do you now, what you should do? Now you should find the decimal equality. So decimal equality for this, we know that it is 7. Then 101 it is 6. 101 it is 5. Here 6. Here 3. So finally what you should write? Always when you write a min term, it is represented by small m, as you all know, m7 plus m5 plus m6 plus m3. So always we write sigma 7 comma 5 comma 6 6 comma 3. So what is this function of x, y, z? Here x, y, z is a function and we found a variable over here. So this is what we say a shorthand minterm. So I can also represent them like I say x, y, z. So how do I do? I should copy them. X, y, z I should copy. I should check whether it is written in a bar value or something. There is no bar, so 1, 1, 1. So what I should do? I should multiply by 2 to find the decimal equivalent. Decimal equivalent. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 0, which is 6. 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 2 to the power of 0 means 1. So 1, so 7. So decimal equivalent of x, y, z is equals to 7. So which is equals to m7. So this is how we are going to find the shorthand minterm. So for after finding the shorthand minterm, we in last class I have explained canonical expression. So what is this canonical expression? So a canonical expression, an expression which consists a canonical expression. So what is this canonical expression? A canonical expression means a binary or Boolean algebra expressed both in min terms and max term. Such variables, such expressions is called canonical expression. So a Boolean expression which is expressed in the term of both min term and max term. So combination, I may say a min term x plus xy or xy plus yz plus xz. So this is a canonical form. This is a min term. Okay, now x plus y plus z, x plus z. This is a max term. Min and max. So a min term, a combination of min term and max term, or a Boolean algebra is expressed both in min term and or, I can say or min term or max term. Such expressions are called a canonical expression. So whenever we say a canonical expression, we have two things. One is SOP. It is called as sum of product. What is the sum of product? A Boolean algebra which is represented in min term format. Such expression is called SOP. So what is SOP? SOP is called as a expression or a Boolean algebra which is represented in the form completely in the format of Minterm. Such terms are called as a SOP. So we have certain formats of SOP. SOP is always represented by sigma. SOP is always represented by sigma. The output or input or output of SOP will be always 1. And here we are going to neglect A plus A bar, because we all know that A plus A bar is equals to 1. Clear? Next, and also we are not going to concentrate on here. We are always not going to concentrate on zeros, and always it is written as small m. Always it is written as small m. What is POS? POS then POS. Or POS means it is a Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra which is represented only in max term, is called POS. So POS. A POS is always represented in the format of pi, and here the input value will be 0. Always the input value will be 0. Next, we are going to neglect A into A bar, and here when we write a SOP it is written in a small m, but when we write a POS it is written in a capital M. To represent a POS we use a capital M. So now, how do we do this sums? Through a truth table. Let us work on truth table. Two sums, let us work on truth table. So as you all know, again once more I am going to write them in SOP and POS in sideways. SOP means sum of product. POS means sum of product. Afterwards I'll write. Here always this is written in a sigma. Then your input will be 0. Input will be 1 always. You should neglect A plus A bar. POS means product of sum. Here pi is the value without input is 0, and A into A bar is neglected. Also here small m is the representation. Here it is capital M is the representation. So you should remember that is the one of the main point when you are going to solve sum of products. So now let us work on a sum. So I may take the value first. I select say x, y and z. Okay. So before that I am going to explain you the concept for this properly in a variable format. Okay. So the relationship between input and output. First let us know the relationship between the input and output when two values are there, x and x, y and z. When three values x, y and z. So if x value is 0, y value is 0, then obviously your z value will be 1. If x value is 0, y value is 1, your z value will be 0. Okay. If x value is 1, y value is 0 and z value will be 1. Your x value is 1, y value is also 1 and z value will be 1. So this is the relationship between the input and output. If x, how does the x value actually acts on that? Clear? So now let us write. Hope we understood this. Now let us write a truth table for this x, y. Let us take two symbols x, y. Okay. So we all know two symbols means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what I said here there are two formats. Okay. Now shorthand means what I did. You should know always what you should copy that value. Copy. Next 0 means x bar, 1 means x, right? Next what you should do to decimal. So now here I should copy xy, or I may say as minterm itself. Minterm. Okay, I will copy x, y. Okay. Here 0, 0 means I should put a bar. 0 x y, for which we have 0. Okay, now x y y bar. So x y, because there is no value, so it is 1 itself, so I will keep as it is. So now what is the function over here? So when I write a function, always you should put a function only for odd number of values. So 1, 1 and 1. So because here it is 0, okay, 0. So here odd number is 1 and 1. So whenever you have an odd number of the input, only then your function becomes 1. Rest all becomes 0. So how do you write now? When you are going to write a SOP, you should calculate the input or output as 1 itself. So x bar y plus x y bar. So this is how we will find the min term using the short range expression or shorthand. Clear? Next, let us take a multiple values also. Let us learn for multiple value also. So you will get a clean idea on that. So x, y, z. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. So now let us write a function first itself. So function or result. Wherever you have a odd numbers, the odd numbers, we are going to put 1 over there. So this is odd number 1. Here also you have odd number 1. And here you have odd number 1. And here two numbers you can put. So here also 1, 2, 3, odd number 1. So rest all you should write zeros. Okay. So rest all you should write zeros. Now let us write a min term. So min term. So what is the min term over here now? Bar, I should copy that x, y, z. So all are bars. Here again I should copy that x, y, z. Where is the bar? Now x and y has a bar because it is 0. X is 0 and y is 0. Here x is 0 and z is 0. X, y, z, x bar, z. So next 0, 1, 1. Okay. X, y, z. 0, 1, 1. Next 1, 0, 0. X, y, z. Next 1, 0, 1. So x, y bar, z. X, y, z bar. X, y, z. So last, how do you find a min term over here? Only you will write the 1 values. Which you have a 1 values, you will write that those 1 values. Now 1 values means x, y, z. X bar y z plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z. So this is your min term. So here all you can check out that. And also when I write how do I find my min term value, which is my min term or which is my function. So what we do now, let us write the values for this. Now I will write the values here. M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. So x bar y bar z, x bar y bar z. So it becomes M1. Okay, plus x bar y z means means this is the value, right? So what M2. So M2 plus now x bar y bar z. So here M4. Here M4 plus M7. So what is my function then? We are going to write the function as sigma bracket 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7, which is equals to function of x, y and z. Clear? So this is how we are going to solve for SOP. So hope you understood this sum. I am going to come for POS in next class. Please do understand this properly. Thank you.